to start by opening up ArtRage. ArtRage is an app that we have on our iPads. Tap the icon and open it up. Then tap the ArtRage icon at the bottom center and choose Create New Painting. Once you have selected Create New Painting, if it asks you to save, click Don't Save Painting. Up here at the top, where it says Name, delete what is written there and type in your name, along with a title for your project. Then select Done in the top right-hand corner. We are going to be using the pen drawing tool. I'm going to start by zooming out on my paper just a little bit so I can see all the way to the edge. This is the tool that we're going to be drawing with today. Down here I can minimize, and over here are the settings. I want to make sure that the size is set to about 20% and everything else looks good. I'm going to go ahead and make sure I have black. I want to draw all the lines with black. I'm going to swipe down and make sure that I have black paint that I am working with. I'm going to start by drawing my dog. The dog is made of simple shapes. I am going to use different kinds of lines to draw those shapes. I'm using some curved lines, some diagonal lines. It's okay if it doesn't turn out perfect the first time. In the bottom, there is a back arrow. You can select the back arrow to hit undo and try again. Sometimes, as an artist, we have to draw something 3, 4, 5, even 10 times. Once you have decided that you like your drawing, after you have finished adding all the different parts to your dog, don't forget the eyes in the center. That looks good. Now I'm going to add the background. I'm going to make a ground by adding a horizon line and then just dividing the space on the floor into some basic shapes. I might want to add a decoration in the sky. I'm going to add some hearts floating around my dog. Next, I'm going to divide the space in the background. You can add any kind of design you want for your background. I think I'm going to do some diagonal stripes across my paper. Once you are done, you're going to go down to the stack of paper. These are going to be your layers. We are going to hit the plus sign to add a new layer. Tap the elevator and move your blank piece of paper underneath of your drawing layer. On this layer, we will add the color using the paint bucket. You want to make sure it's selected to current layer only. That is turned off. You want to have current layer only turned off. Choose the color that you want and tap and place it into your picture. You can see that it uses the lines from the top layer to guide where the color goes, but yet it puts the color on the second layer. This will come in helpful when we are using the crayon tool next week to add the patterns to our design. Take your time and think creatively about what colors you want to use. Once you have filled in every single space with color, you are done. Check your work, make sure you didn't miss anything. If you tap those black lines with the paint bucket, everything will turn a different color. So be careful. Always remember you can use the undo button at the bottom to fix any mistake you might have. Continue working until everything is filled in. Once you are completely done, at the top, there might be a button that says Save. If not, you can go to the menu button at the bottom and then tap Save Painting, and you are finished for today.